Welcome back to our channel where we explore all things related to RV travel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the topics of RV extended warranties, whether they are truly worth the cost. Many RVers often find themselves debating whether to invest in an extended warranty when purchasing a recreational vehicle. So let's dive in and explore the pros and cons of RV extended warranties. Over the past 3 decades, our experience with owning RVs have been quite varied. From purchasing pre-owned campers to acquiring brand new bumper pull campers without warranties, we have witnessed the gamut of possibilities. In this video, we'll dive into the fascinating journey of navigating extended warranties and shed light on the treatments we have received while utilizing them. Join us as we recount the ups and downs of our encounters and provide the insights into the world of RV warranties. Many of you have experienced positive outcomes with your extended warranties, while others might feel dissatisfied with the terms and conditions outlined in their contracts. It's important to acknowledge that some individuals have been fortunate enough to benefit from these warranties, while others have encountered challenges and frustrations. Let's explore the perspectives and experiences associated with extended warranties in order to gain a comprehensive understanding of their effectiveness and value. On multiple occasions, Rhonda and I have made efforts to utilize our extended warranties, only to be informed that the extended warranty does not provide coverage for the faulty item. Astonishing, this unfortunate situation has repeated itself 4 times, all at the hands of a well-known national chain. On the first occasion, we encountered an issue with our recent purchase of a fifth wheel. Just 6 months after purchasing it, the window sills began to deteriorate, resulting in water leakage. To our disappointment, the RV extended warranty provider denied coverage, citing the seal's conditions as a normal wear and tear. We were left with a hefty bill of $1,000, and to make matters worse, the window leaks persisted despite the payment. During the second incident, while on the road, the lock mechanism of the shower door malfunctioned, leading to the glass door sliding and shattering. Surprisingly, the National RV dealership acknowledged that the lock mechanism was indeed covered under the warranty. However, they refused to address the broken glass, claiming it was not covered and I should go to my insurance company. It's puzzling how they failed to recognize that the lock failure directly resulted in the breakage of the glass. So before we delve into the pros and cons, let's first understand what RV extended warranty actually is. An RV extended warranty is a service contract that covers the repairs or replacement of specific components of your RV beyond the manufacturer warranty period. It's important to note that an extended warranty is not an insurance policy. It does not cover collision-related or physical damage to your RV, nor does it cover regular maintenance costs. Now, let's discuss the potential benefits of RV extended warranties. One of the advantages is the peace of mind they offer. With an extended warranty, you have confidence that an unexpected repair will be covered, reducing the financial burden. Additionally, some contracts also provide roadside assistance, which can be valuable in emergency situations. In an RV extended warranty is a service contract that provides coverage for repairs and maintenance beyond the manufacturer warranty period. It offers a peace of mind by protecting you from an unexpected expense that may arise due to mechanical failures or other issues with your RV. These extended warranties typically cover a wide range of components and systems, including the engine, transmission, electrical systems, and appliances. Before deciding whether an RV extended warranty is right for you, it's essential to consider the pros and cons associated with these warranties. One significant advantage of RV extended warranties is the financial protection they offer. RV repairs can be costly, and have an extended warranty can save you from unexpected expenses while living on the road. Additionally, these warranties often come with additional benefits such as roadside assistance and trip interruption coverage, providing further peace of mind. Another advantage is the convenience of having a warranty that covers multiple components and systems. Instead of having to worry about individual warranties for each part of your RV, an extended warranty consolidates the coverage into one comprehensive plan. While RV extended warranties offer many benefits, there are some downsides to consider. First and foremost, these extended warranties can be expensive. The cost of a warranty itself, coupled with deductibles and exclusions, can add up over time. It's crucial to carefully evaluate the cost versus the potential savings to determine if the worthwhile investment is right for you. Additionally, there may be limitations and restrictions within the extended warranty. Some warranties may only cover repairs performed at a specific repair facility or require prior authorization for repairs. It's essential to thoroughly read the terms and conditions to understand the extent of the coverage and any limitation that may apply. To fully comprehend the scope of an RV extended warranty, it's necessary to understand what it does cover. While coverage can vary depending on the specific extended warranty, most extended warranties include protection for major components and systems. These may include engine, transmission, drivetrains, and electrical systems. Additionally, appliances such as refrigerators, air conditioners, and water heaters are typically covered. It's important to carefully review the warranty contract to ensure it aligns with your needs and expectations. There are several misconceptions surrounded by RV extended warranties that can cloud one's judgment when considering them. Let's debunk some of these myths to help make an informed decision. While it is not true that RVs are built to be durable and long-lasting, breakdowns and malfunctions can still occur. An extended warranty provides an extra layer of protection, ensuring that you won't be left with a hefty repair bill if something goes wrong on the road. Extended warranties typically have limitations and exclusions. It's important to thoroughly read the terms and conditions to understand what is covered and what is not. Routine maintenance, wear and tear, and pre-existing conditions are often excluded from the coverage. While horror stories about RV extended warranties do exist, it's important to remember they are the exception rather than the rule. Nevertheless, these stories serve as a cautionary tale and highlight the importance of thoroughly researching and selecting a reputable warranty provider. Some horror stories involve warranty providers refusing to cover necessary repairs, leaving RV homeowners with significant out-of-pocket expenses. Others tell lengthy delays in processing claims, causing frustration and inconvenience. By doing your due diligence, reading reviews, and choosing a trustworthy warranty provider, you can minimize the risk of encountering such issues. When it comes to purchasing an RV extended warranty, there are several factors to consider to ensure you make the right choice for your needs. Evaluate the coverage options available and determine which components and systems are most important for you to have covered. Consider factors such as the age and condition of your RV, as well as your intended usage like full timing. Research the reputation and financial stability of the warranty provider. Look for reviews of other RV owners and check if they have a history of paying claims promptly and fairly. Compare the cost of warranty with the potential savings it may provide. Consider factors such as deductible, coverage limits, and exclusions. It's important to strike a balance between cost and coverage to ensure a good value for your investment. While RV extended warranties offer valuable protection, they may not be the right choice for everyone. There are alternatives to consider that may be better suited for your needs and budget. Instead of purchasing an extended warranty, some RV owners choose to set aside funds in a dedicated account to cover potential repairs. This type of approach requires discipline and financial planning, but can be a cost-effective alternative in the long run. Before considering an extended warranty, be sure to understand the coverage provided by the manufacturer's warranty. Some RV manufacturers offer longer initial warranties or the option to purchase an extended warranty directly from them. Navigating the RV extended warranty market can be overwhelming, but the following tips can help you make an informed decision. Take time to research and compare multiple warranty providers. Look for providers with solid reputation, positive customer reviews, and comprehensive coverage options. Thoroughly read and understand the terms and conditions of the warranty before purchasing. Pay attention to coverage details, limitations, exclusions, and any requirements for repairs and maintenance. Obtain quotes from multiple warranty providers to compare cost and coverage. Be sure to consider factors such as deductibles, coverage limits, and add-on options. In conclusion, RV extended warranties can provide valuable protection and peace of mind for RV owners. However, they come with both pros and cons that need to be carefully considered. By understanding what an extended warranty covers, debunking common misconceptions, and evaluating factors such as cost and coverage options, you can make an informed decision about whether an RV extended warranty is right for you. Remember to thoroughly research warranty providers and consider alternatives such as self-insuring or relying on the manufacturer's warranty. By following these tips and taking the time to make a well-informed decision, you can ensure that you choose the best option to protect your investment and enjoy worry-free RV adventures. That's all I have for you today in this video. We hope you found this video helpful in understanding the pros and cons of RV extended warranties. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Until next time, happy RVing.